Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to another stream. Hi Manish, hi because. Hey guys, what's up? What's up? How's everyone doing? All good? How's everyone doing? Prep wise, health wise? You guys can hear me, right? Hello, hello. Manish, nice, good to know, bro. Nice, 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 bro. Uh, Manish, bro, you are in college or you are uh working? Hey, Santosh. Because so you are on right track, bro. Now you need to focus on LLD and HLD. So I think do you consider Flipkart as a no, I was asking Manish because I understood that you work at BNB Mellon. So if you consider Flipkart as a good startup, not sure if you consider that or not, but just give me a second, guys. So if you consider Flipkart as a good startup, so how many startups did I had offer from? So I had offer from Walmart and I had offer from Walmart, sorry. I had offer from Flipkart, and you guys have might have heard of Observe AI, right? So Observe AI. So I had offer from Observe AI. It's a very good startup, AI startup. This Observe AI interview, this one. The startup took 7 rounds. I didn't now have 7 rounds. I had 5 rounds. But yes. Uh, so yes, they will ask you LLD and HLD. They'll not just ask you DSA, right? So for LLD, if you just go to this website, this is like my profile link. You don't have to spend a minute here. From here, you need to move to another website, which is like, for example, for LLD, use this. This is a good resource. For HLD, use all of these four. Right? This is really good for beginner, right? Even if you're in college, just go ahead and watch this. This has everything. Like you just have to read the README of this. You don't have to do anything. If you don't want to read the README, you can probably go to his website. I think I'll probably add this also. So you can see each of the chapters, right? Like database. This is like very basic knowledge, but yeah, crux. So to give an example, right? I used to read this every time I had an interview. Like I have read this like probably now 10 times, such that I can revise it in like 2 hours. I can revise the whole thing in 2 hours now. CSC student, you can do it in C++, bro. Any tip to master recursion? Solve more problems, bro. Are you recommending this? Yes. I am recommending all these four. You will not be able to master system design by just doing this, no. Then you have to do this, then you have to read this also. Then you can watch some videos also. If you are like a video person, you can watch this guy's video. This is really good. Uh, he's from Facebook. Just an FYI, right? Not some random guy. Links are already there, brother. I have already shared the link. You guys don't click on the bio itself, right? So if you click on this stream, you will go to this description in the stream. You can find all my links at this. Just click here, you'll take you to the links. Rohit, Vodka. Yes, I consider that. I believe that was for Flipkart, right? Feel free to like this thing if you find the stream helpful, right? If you find the stream helpful. If you don't find the stream helpful, you can let me know in chat. How can I make it helpful? No need to make the notes, Gopika. See, yesterday, like in one of the stream, I said this, and it's really really weird that from college itself, I have found my notes. For some reason, I have written all the programming questions, like all the good ones, on a white notebook. That's, I think, the mentality, bro. That's the mentality of student, I think. So everyone wants to make. Even I did that. Yesterday, when I saw that notebook, I was really surprised. So don't really need coding notes at one point. Like after that, it will become your second intuition, basically. But for now, anyway, it's fine. You can just I write explanation of code and comments and take a yeah, that is good. Or you can just save it on Leetcode, right? So Leetcode has a notes feature. You could just do that also. So if you go to this, you will not premium, definitely not premium. Uh, if you go to this, your profile, right, you'll see this notebook. So in this, you'll find all your notes, and then you can print, do Control P, right? So that would be better. That way, everything stays at the same. Bro, I am out of referrals. I have referred like 10 to 15 folks. I've already referred a lot of people. It's been only not even 1 year since I joined the company, so I'm not referring more people now. But probably after some time I'll do that as well. Is the stream health okay? YouTube is saying that stream health is not okay. Let me know in chat if it is not okay. I'll see what I can do. Code sketch runner, like elaborate. What do you mean by domain? I have 5 experience, but I feel stuck and I'm feeling that I can't do DS. Bro, it is your mind that is making you that you are stuck. You are not stuck. It's how your brain is now thinking. So you have to change, you have to control your mind. Read some books, follow some great people, and then probably they will help you. But you need to control your mind basically. That's the only thing that I would suggest you. Control your mind and then you can do everything. No, Manish, it is not late, bro. Participate in lead code contest. I'm not sure what do you mean by done. There's like a very like I have this done thing I have seen from like probably 20 people I've heard, even on LinkedIn. The people say that I done. Bro, it's not a subject. Like even if you have completed this need code list, do you think that you'll be able to solve the problems after 15 days of not solving? So it's not like a college subject, like okay, you have done and then you gave a contest. So it's not like that, brother. So let's say I have done this 150 like 10 times now. Every time I have a DSA interview, I try to solve this. So there is nothing like done in DSA. That's what I feel. So if you stop it for 2 months, your done is gone. And even if let's say there is a problem, where is that problem? If you go to hashing, right? This longest consecutive sequence, if you know the optimal solution of it, the one with hash set, that's not really intuitive. So if you solve this after like 10 days, it probably your intuition will be gone. So it's not done. It's never done. DSA is never done. That you are always learning in DSA, right? So even if that means that you have just solved it once, you need to solve it again, revise it again and again and again. That's the only way. Alright, let's go from Jyot. How much is the rough money they are offering? Remote is really good, bro. You stay with your family. You are in fourth year, right? Development, bro. Learn any language. It's just you to go to YouTube. Just go to YouTube. You can ping me on LinkedIn, Jatin OP. Just go to YouTube, Piyush, and then just solve the same thing, bro. Just go to YouTube and just go to YouTube and what you should search, web development full course. There will be a lot of guys who are teaching it for free. Just do that. As simple as that. Hi, TRX Emperor. 6,000 is really good, bro. Is it Singapore dollar? What is Singapore's currency? Singapore currency. One Singapore is probably 6,000 is 4 lakhs per month. That is really good, bro. Is it really per month only? That's like a really, really good crack. So where is the party, Brahmjot then? That's good. You can't concentrate on two things. TRX Emperor, you can go in as virtually, right? I think there is a way of doing virtual also. Yeah, Brahmjot chat is asking for you to party. So time to party now. Tell me what, bro. No, no, no. You don't need to know open source and all, bro. Don't confuse yourself. Just focus on DSA. That's it, bro. DSA and then start appearing. You have already done enough, bro. Start applying to companies. Make sure that you apply to tons of opening. Start doing that. Don't just do, right? Start applying also. You have done already enough. This is for Manish for you. This is for you, Manish. Okay, okay. Tell me, sir, when to party. Okay. Whenever you come to Punjab, bro, you can tell me. We can do party. Nice, bro. Bro, 9 is okay, Piyush. If you can try to maintain it, that is fine. If it little bit drop also, that is also fine. But don't let it go 8.5 below 8.5. Don't let it slip below that. Okay, 8.5 is good because you already have 9, so try to maintain 8.5. Yeah, I am currently in Punjab. That's why I mentioned Punjab. If I was in Hyderabad, I would have mentioned Hyderabad. But yeah, I am from Punjab and I'm currently in Punjab. Anyone in Punjab? Anyone from Punjab in the chat? Emperor, you are from Punjab. Which area of Punjab you guys are from? Brahmjot Singh by Singh feels like he's from Punjab. No, no, bro, I don't drink. But I got get this question a lot. All my friends drink, but I don't. It's not like all Punjabis do, but yeah, most of the persons do. What is the company name, Brahmjot? No one is from Punjab in the chat. Punjabis are, I think, then busy drinking only. So Sahil is from Punjab. So Sahil, are you from Punjab or are you just studying in Punjab? Bro, I can do DSA and dev together or do you need to focus? Bro, DSA should be the main priority, but you should do dev also. So you should do dev also along with that. Hey bro, I am fresher and got into bro, do DSA, bro. The TCS, I will not say it is a bad start. It is a good start. There's always a saying, right? It doesn't matter where you start from. It always matters where you go from that, right? So you got into TTS. I would congratulate you that you are not without a job. In today's market, a lot of people are without a job also. So we all are lucky, including myself, right? We all are lucky. We should be grateful for that. Good health, some money, that's all fine. And then our job is, I would say, the best job out there, bro. We don't, we d- like the weather, it doesn't affect us, whether it is raining or whether it is sunny. We don't really care, right? We just have to do the coding part of it. So how lucky we are. We should always appreciate that, right? All the people who are in their computer science stream or IT stream or whatever. So now is the hard part, right? So you have got into TCS Devasai Praveen. I'll call you Praveen. So you have got into TCS. Oh, I did not update the title of the stream. Just give me a second. Why this is saying 90? It should not say 92. It should say 93. Maybe this is a older tab, but yeah, it should say 93. So I was saying is that now you need to focus on your DSA skills basically, right? Go and watch this 3000 coding problem video. Take part in lead code contest. Upsolve the problems which are not able to do. Target in solving three. Do that for 3 months and then start applying. Once you're good at lead code, right? Start like don't wait for 6 months or don't wait for like 10 months, right? 2 months is good enough time. Study every day for 4 hours along with your work. That should be it. I will accept it, bro. GPT-5 live stream, not sure, bro. What do you mean? Bro, I don't do roadmaps, bro. I can just give you advice on. The roadmap is like a very selling term. Like, give me a roadmap, give me a roadmap. I have a raw knowledge, so not just a roadmap. So if you are in first year, this would be. You are in second year, I would say go ahead and do DSA. Become a guardian on lead code. You can easily achieve that in 1 year if you give in your everything. Study for 8 to 10 hours every day. हर्ष तिवारी डीएसए करो ब्रो डांस नहीं करना है डीएसए करना है you can do dance also probably you learn more than that do DSA to earn 20 and do dance to earn probably. Yeah, bro, this is what I was telling, bro. Uh, Mankaran, like I was just telling the same thing to Praveen. Bro, in the starting, Praveen, it will happen, bro. Look at 100 solutions. Yesterday also I was saying. So there are 3,000 on problems on the lead code. Look of solutions for 100 problems, but don't look for all and then use this rating website to solve the problems. So see, emperor, your name like T and emperor, right? I, I am forced to pronounce it as temperor. But yeah, temporary is giving the roadmap, so you guys you can listen to him. I'll recommend him for DSA and all because he is expert on code forces, which is really good. Needs hard work. GPT-5 launch stream right now. Oh, nice, nice, bro. Uh, Bro, in some companies it is coming up, Umang, Sharif. I'll not lie. A couple of my friends have been asked LLD in Uber, but that's like very high paying job. If you want to like go into Uber, I would recommend that you guys should start with Uber. Like, but Ramjot, because you got an internship at a like a Singapore kind of a company, right? They don't really have patterns. Like all the US based interviews are easy. I think in India there is more. Probably Brahmjot, you can guide everyone. How did you apply and all that? Harsh Tiwari, main is DSA only, bro. Main is DSA, and then computer science fundamentals and all that, and also start appearing for interviews. So even I got a message that are you watching GPTO 5? Okay, sorry guys, I was just chatting to some folks about the DSA is the key to success. Dance is also the key to success, probably for some folks. So GPT. I'm not going to watch it because whatever they are doing there, it will automatically come to YouTube tomorrow. Incref. How much Incref pays Harsh Tiwari? No, no temporary. I was just chatting to some of my friends. Like it is like one thing I really admire about technology is guys that it works in very different ways. So if you guys go to my LinkedIn, right, or even Instagram, I have not mentioned about YouTube ever or there, right? But still, kind of YouTube algorithm, it kind of worked. I'm not sure why it worked, what it did. So I have now good people. It's fun to have the live stream. It's fun to solve some problems. Today also I'm going to do that. It's not that I'm just going to sit here and speak rubbish things, but so we are going to do this thing weekly 152 and in weekly 150, weekly 151, weekly 152, right? The third problem I was not able to look at. So those all I'll be doing on the weekends. So 5 days, five contest, and on weekend upsolve the things that I'm not able to solve. Right? These are like mathematic contests. It looks like. So There's a good chance that I'll not be able to solve even one also. Among Sarif, bro, you might get LLD, HLD on your project's question only, right? There will not be outside of that project question, right? But LLD could be like chess game. Like chess game is something that I've heard. Uh, yes, yes is for what? LLD is enough for HLD. I learned first HTML, then jump to TypeScript. No, Brahmjot, how did you apply? That is also important. Where to find what? Sahil Kumar. So after this timer, right, I need to take breaks after every 40 minutes, like 10 minutes break. So I suggest you guys also stretch your body. Bro, getting shortlist is a number game. So apply to more openings, there are more chances of getting shortlist. As simple as that, right? You don't really have to be crazy in that. Bro, I think you would, one thing is go to career portals and apply. Search on LinkedIn. Just filter by Singapore and all that. Singapore, London, what's that place called? Amsterdam. And all of these places are easy to go to from India because their visa is, I think, easier than US. So US is little bit tricky. So he did some open source, looks like a hard working person. YNR, I am back. How are you? I'm good, bro. Recovering. That's why I'll take 10 minutes break after every 40 minutes. Have you guys watched Houseful 5? Harsh Tiwari, you should do both, bro. So if there are three openings, uh, apply to one directly or apply to two directly, and for third, go ask a referral, right? If you don't refer a referral in 1 or 2 days, then you can probably apply to that also. You just don't need to uh, wait for the referral, right? And then I don't think so, bro. It depends on a company to company, bro. If you want to go into MNC like Walmart, Cisco, Microsoft, Google, uh, Atlassian, Uber, what else? Like there are ten companies that I named, I think. Flipkart. Um, so all of these will ask you DSA. So is it on Netflix season 2 released? Feel free to hit the like, guys, if you find the chat nice or stream helpful, right? This like I'm talking about. Feel free to hit this like thing. Sarnikat Reddy, Forest app for what? It's a productivity app, right? not that's not a forest. That is focus plant. That is a different app. There is this app called Forest. What does that do? Forest. Jatin OP, all the best, bro. All your hard work will eventually come to life. Don't give up. That's the only thing that I would say. Harsh Tiwari do mock interviews, bro. Yeah. Focus plant also does the same. Forest focus plant. There is I use a app that is called focus plant. That also doesn't let you use any other app. Harsh Tiwari do mock interviews, bro. Do mock interviews with your friends. That would help you. Yeah, bro. All the best. Bye bye. Take care, Emperor. Bro, no members as of now. And I would suggest you, if you want to join also, it would be like one-on-one with me. I think that is better. Otherwise, you book that on top, mate. So here it would be cheaper. But yeah, Ritik Gaur, nice, bro. I'll do a live stream on weekend just for members. So that would be just me and you, Piyush. Then we can discuss in detail whatever you want to discuss. Anyway, this is not going to stop, guys. So by any means, don't be intrigued to join or what or not, right? I have also kept it like 50 rupees, but it's like depends on everyone has a different perception on money, right? So, sir, I even got a offer from a startup. Bro, okay, you join Naman Joshi, join and then make a switch to another company, bro. Don't say no to any job, bro. Don't say no, okay? If you don't have a job handy and you are getting a job, whether it is like a automation or just a testing role, just do it, bro. Don't think like that, okay? That will be very bad because you don't know what is going to happen tomorrow. Bro, see, solve unknown problem. Just click on DP, go to lead code and select DP, and then you solve random problems, right? So that time you will only know that that is a DP problem. And also there is a like Aditya Verma's playlist is really good. So it is like more that it's like if you know there are options and you have to find a maximum and on net all the tips Aditya Verma shares in his list. So that's really good. So you should go ahead and watch that. How to do DSA in 2 months. So you can go ahead and I think if you don't really know things, it would be really hard, but you should start with this 150. That's okay. If you're not able to understand, watch the video, understand the solution, and then solve similar problems. Is this company tagged free here? Need code pro, bro. Need code pro. I think this like I am not saying anything rude to anyone, but I think like very being very honest, Leetcode is the best platform for coding, right? All the platforms other than Leetcode, I don't even know why do they exist. There is no point of that, right? The Geeks for Geeks was there at that time. Leetcode was not that popular, right? Now taking the problems from Leetcode and then taking the website. That's not really healthy, and that's like you're not achieving anything from that. What is the goal of that, right? Point people to Leetcode only, right? Like if I ever do that, create my own coding platform, that would be like really stupid of me to do that. Not sure. But yeah, that's what I feel. Because lead code is really good, guys. Even from the UI perspective, it is good. From the quality of problems, it is good, right? It's one of the best platform from coding, and you will never see them advertising. Go to lead code's LinkedIn. They rarely post, right? They don't even post anything. So it's like a self-explanatory marketing they have. So stick to lead code, guys. There is no point of going to any other portal. Solve lead code problem. That's it. If you want a decent job. Jatin OP, just buy what, bro? How to get an internship? I'm a science pseudo applied to career portals, bro. You are in right year, third year. Go to career portals and apply for 2020. You are, I think, 2027 pass out then, right? This is like your third year, then it's 20 years. So go to career portals of all the website. I think this is also a really good asked question. But the answer to this question is really simple. Like you go to the career portal of the website. So like if I have to, let's say, apply to Google, right? I would just search Google internship career portal. Google internship career portal. Just do that and then you see internships careers. Now you might not find a opening today, right? Then come again tomorrow, day after tomorrow. Do that every day. You brush your teeth every day, right? See, this is now in URIC, right? So what we need here is that we need first of all degree, pursuing degree, and then we need computer science. Where is computer science? Okay, I have to type it. Oh, computer. Let's type computer and see what happens. So this is researcher. Researcher is very computer science is not their part-time researcher. See, software engineering PhD, but that's like PhD. But you are not. You don't want to be a PhD intern. This is, I think, for passed out people. There is no opening today, so you come again tomorrow, day after tomorrow. All that you do, right? There might be some opening some days because every time it opens, it's like you have to look out every day, bro. You will not get lucky that okay in the first try that you got. I was about to see internships in engineering and yeah, it's the same page. I think it's the same page. So come in, look at it tomorrow. After that, every day, and then make a list of 500 companies that you really want to join at, right? So that would be my advice, guys. So break is starting now. Oh, nice, bro. Prateek, Prateek have got, Prateek have got her, Piyush has got a, nice, guys. Nice, bro, nice. Bro, was there any tax also applied on that? Was there any tax or like income tax? That's the tax I'm asking. Or 50, 60 rupees, like 59, I think. Oh, bro, nice. You guys have got the badge thing, eh? Yeah. Let's do a live stream on Among Us on which days you guys prefer, Saturday or Sunday? Yeah. No, no, 59 is then good. So see, guys, like 59 is like what do you say? Cost of two Lays nowadays, right? So it's okay. I think two Coke or even one Coke. That's why, like, there was an option of 170, but I just kept it very minimum that's because there is no teaching, right? Once if I'll not teach also. That's not something that I'll do. Sunday, okay, bro. Sunday will do. Bro, membership is in the chat. It should automatically show you guys. Not sure how. Even I also don't know. Yeah, and this is 59 rupees monthly, right, bro? It's not that expensive. And I will now probably send you guys a Telegram link also because in that we can chat. Uh, because that's like I can chat with you guys also and I can reply to your messages like whenever I have a time, right? And then when we have a live stream, like this live stream also, I'll prioritize this. So there is a member thing. I can prioritize that, right? So see, guys, that's what something I have to do, right? It's not my job, but like it's not like I cannot ignore now Piyush and Jatin OP. So guys, if you have to join, no, bro, I also use iOS. So iOS guys does get that. So I also do a scan. Yes, bro. पता नहीं भाई. पता नहीं भाई. Nice name, bro. पता नहीं भाई. Bro, this has the link. You guys can go in and do that. How do I share this? This I can also share. USA Tales, yes, bro. I am from NIT Jamshedpur. Yes, that is really good college, bro. You can, okay, bro, okay, पता नहीं भाई, okay, पता लग गया भाई. पता लग गया भाई हमें that you are from NIT Jamshedpur. Yeah, Jamshedpur. लग गया भाई, पता लग गया. Yes, bro, you can get पता नहीं भाई. Apply to off-campus openings. See, lucky sample. I am here to motivate you guys. I will always say that yes, but first let me ask you this: in 365 days, you have to solve your problems every day. Okay, it's not like that you'll take breaks. So the next 365 days, it's going to be really hard for you. Okay. Vishal Jangit, bro, everyone faces that difficulty, but I can help you give the playlist. So for Aditya Verma, watch. Arey, nice, bro. Aditya Unyal. give their interviews. Deloitte is also good. HCL is also good. Are good. No, 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 Pado, no one is. He was just telling that he was just asking that uh he's not doing college flex. No, no, no. Pata nahi bhai was just asking that whether he can get into IT from a civil engineering. Bro, lot of people do that in MTech and bro, you don't really need to do DevOps US still. I didn't even know about DevOps when I was in college. DevOps is something that you learn on the job. So DevOps is anything starting from development to deployment, right? CI/CD pipelines, GitHub and whatnot. No, that's not required, bro. Why to waste time on that? That eventually you will learn on the job. That's not needed. Don't waste time on learning this stuff. Do DSA. MIT Delhi, bro. I also had friends from MIT Delhi. MIT is also a good college. पता नहीं भाई left. VJIT is also good college. This is VJIT like Pune or what? Like I have heard that college. It's good college. So just for members, guys. So on my YouTube itself, right? You would see a members tab. So that's where you would like. I think it comes here. So as of now, I have not logged in, right? But you would see a membership here, right? That is where I'll share a Telegram link where you guys can join and we can do chit chat offline about from this stream, right? Bro, links are generally not visible. If I share, then only it is visible. Bro, Rajesh, Telegram is like for members as of now, chit chat only because otherwise will be like lot of questions bombarded. But now, by no means I'm not asking you guys to join it. It's totally your choice. I'll come live every day as I do, right? It's just totally your choice. If members and if members and non-members both can join the chat, then what is the point of creating members, bro? You answer this question for me, Rajesh. Like I am talking to you here only, right? You can ask your question here. I'll reply here. I think one thing better I can do probably for members, instead of doing live stream, I would set up a Google Meet. I think that would be better, where you guys can come on video and then ask question, right? That would be better. What do you think, Piyush? Piyush and Jatin OP. That be better instead of a live stream or a stream? I think a Google Meet would be better, isn't it? Where we like connect, where you guys can come on video. Here you can just put a, or maybe you can just speak also, right? Not even come on video. How about that? Like 1, 2 hours live stream every week. Not live stream, just a Google Meet. Just thought came to my mind. Yeah, that is better, right? Cool, cool. That makes sense. But again, guys, if we get more members, then I'll not be able to answer all the, like it could be like 1, 2 hours, right? So then don't beat me after that. It's okay, bro. Piyush, it's okay, bro. Even I fumble. I used to fumble at least, maybe. Okay, guys. Now we'll do a problem. I suggest you guys also do some problems. You can put the stream on the side, or you can join in after you do the whatever, whichever way you feel is best to you guys. So 40 minutes. Uh, Let me set up a timer. We are three. Three is good, bro. Three is a good start. Okay, bro. See you guys. I'll not be looking at the chat, guys. So I'll be doing the problem on the side. It feels like a math problem straight away. In 1 to n, we take this example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The primes are 2, 3. 1 is not a prime. And then I think 5 is also a prime. The number of primes and then how many positions I have. Positions will always be the same. So 3 positions, right? So for on these 3 positions, I can place this. So I think that would be like NC3 out of 5 choose 3 positions and then out of remaining choose that position. So that will be the now what is NC3? I don't really know. Like I don't know the formula. So so in this we want to select number of ways of selecting. I'm thinking it would be like NC3 plus NC2. That's like my intuition. But again, it could be NC or NP. I'm not really sure which it will be. Uh, Number of ways of selecting 3 numbers from 5. That is also 10. think is it just like the permutations of n? Yeah, it seems like a permutations of n. No, but no, permutations of 3 is 3 into 2 into 1. So 3 factorial plus 2 factorial, is it? 3 into. Yeah, I think this is the answer. Not n, but because number of ways to place 2, 3, 5 is 6, right? Like you can have 2, 3, 5, 2, 5, 3, 3, 2, 5, 3, 5, 2. Like this question came to my mind. A, B, C, and all that, right? So that makes sense. So now the basically task is read to find the factorial, right? And then as that might be large, so I just have to write the code to find the factorial. Will go long in that, long with modulo 10. So sorry, I got distracted. So yes, so you have this. Where was I? Yeah. I need to calculate number of primes in this, right? Yeah, again, my math is weak, guys, so there might be a better way to do it, but I think this is the way that I thought of. And if you guys are actually participating in the contest, you should not do like this. I was just using my phone also on the side, so as this is like virtual only, right? If you guys are doing it, you should always be concentrated on a contest only, right? It should probably take you 5 to 7 minutes to solve this problem because intuition is pretty much clear that you have to find permutation, but it's a good beginner question, I would say. Damn it, bro, this is a premium question. Why is it not coming in? Okay, this will not. I can do this from my other ID. I have a premium there. But let's just read the question. Okay, so but you should not be able to read also, right? This is a bug in Leetcode. This is a bug, guys. Are you able to see premium question? Uh, no, right? Are not able to see a premium question. Let's say this. Or are we not able to just submit it? Yeah, that's a bug. No, no, we should not yet. Let me. This is a really nice finding, guys. So, yeah, that is something you guys should always do. I have reported couple of bugs in Leetcode. So just like that, you could report a bug. But I think that is like a more of a. I'm not sure if I am at a right track. This might not be right. This might be interview feedback. But there was no other option, right? I think there is another. I would have written them a mail also, but I thought that this would be okay to do. So just did that. But this is really weird, right? You should not see these kind of bugs happen, but these are like a very good bug found. even though the question is premium, but like I'll not be able to submit the problem statement, but I am able to see the. Sorry, bro, I lost the contest. Like if I directly go to this problem, it should probably show me that it is a premium. Yes, like this is what I was talking about, right? If you directly go to this, it will not be visible to you, right? Hmm. Not sure if you guys can hear me or not. Am I audible? Mic check, mic check. But yeah, this is not visible. But if you open the same problem via contest, then the problem statement is visible, or at least it was. Yeah, see, that's a bug straight away. So live bug. God, I never expected that something like this would happen. But yeah, we can read the question. No, Brahmajot, can we fix this through bug? No, no, you cannot because their source code is not open source, right? If Leetcode was open source, why would they charge things from premium question, right? So I don't think so. You can write a open source fix. But that's a good point. Telegram link, bro, I'll share in a day or two. Uh, so this is a sliding window. I think after every k days, so we are at one. We are under, so we are at -1. Then again one day we are not less than lower. We are again, so we are at -2. Then 3 is not less than lower, so we are good. 4 it is 1 1, so in the end we are at 0. So this is like a very common brute force question. So 6 we are 1, 5 we are 1. So the answer for this would be 2. So in this 2 we need to take the sum, right? So sum is 11. So the answer would be 1. But then you come here and 5, that is 0. Then you come here, that is 6, 5 is 11. And then you increase by 1, right? 5 0 is 5. So then you don't do anything because it is equal to upper. But here when you come here, you do minus also. So in the end, you are left with 0. So this is a sliding window question. I'll probably submit it from my personal ID. Yes, yes, it is a sliding window question. Not even just a, yeah, yeah, very minimal version of sliding window. So it's a easy sliding window question. Lali Pathak, your intuition is also increasing, bro. That's nice. Good to see that you could recognize the question. BK, well, that happens, bro. I think it's like the end of focal cycle, right? Give it a month or so, even it has happened with my friends. BK, Vyas Verma. Something, yeah, you can't control. So Abhishek Singh, I have not seen anyone from Meta saying that they have done that. Uh, I have only seen other. So that would be my take. And I don't really follow this, bro. See, I think DSA is not just to clear interviews, bro. It helps you mentally improve. It is a good hobby. So just like people like to play sports, right? You could do DSA. That's what I feel like. Even if it loses its value, that's what competitive programming is about, right? Competitive programming is to improve your brain. If you are good with DSA, it's like I think you can understand other aspects of the job also easily because you are starting to make your brain think. Just like when we play soccer, we make or not, soccer is not a good example. Just like we train ourselves in the gym, right? So like let's say now I will say that there is surgeries, right? Surgery and AI is a good comparison to some extent, right? You can get a surgery and then get do a weight loss, but that's not as same as that's not fit also, first of all, but it is not going to give you like physical strength, right? So now going to gym every day, lifting dumbbells, that will give you physical strength. That is going to stay with you. Now we could debate that one could get a surgery instead of doing body weights. In the same way, you could debate that we could just use AI and put our brain to rest. So it's the same way, right? You train your body in the gym, you train your brain by doing DSA. Otherwise, you tell me what you do in your day that helps your brain to improve. Nothing. I do nothing, bro. Like when I was in college, I did nothing that will improve my brain. So in DSA, it is like that you stay there for 30 minutes and then think, right? We never think in our life otherwise. When we are scrolling Instagram, why do we like it? Because our brain is not really thinking. We are just watching movie. We don't really think. Now, when we start thinking, it starts giving stress to us, right? So that's something I would say that you should guys should not think about what AI. That is going to be a disadvantage, I would say, if DSA is going away. Right now, the path is very simple. Do DSA and then get a job. Now, if let's say you are a back-end engineer or someone is a front-end engineer, like I am a front-end engineer, okay? Like I am a back-end engineer, sorry. If someone is a front-end engineer and he has experiences in front-end only, now with AI, front-end is also getting impacted, back-end is also getting impacted, right? So what I will ask them or what you will ask me in an interview, right? If you ask me some random questions which I even don't know. So then what will happen with like you will never be able to clear the interview. See, backend is very wide, bro. System design itself is very huge. There is lot of things. DSA is simple. That way you will learn slowly once you grow in the industry. Well, there are people who never did DSA and lot of that. That's always there, bro. Exceptions are always there. I am not talking about exceptions here. If you want to talk about exceptions, I can talk about Elon Musk. He never did. I don't think he would have done DSA. So if you want to compare names here, then I can also compare. You can take example of Mr. Narendra Modi. Right? He didn't do DSA. He's doing great things. I am not talking about that. I am talking about the simple path. You do DSA and then get a job. Simple. Not everyone does DSA. People do a lot of great things without DSA also. So Zepto startup, the startup, I don't think those guys did DSA, right? But that's like once in a blue moon, right? Not everyone. Now, if you talk about majority, let's talk about IITs and NITs, right? All of these companies, they ask you DSA. So the majority is on the DSA side because that's the path, right? So tomorrow, if you are taking interview, what you will ask? You will ask very generic questions in software engineering. You cannot ask what something that you have worked on, right? That will be very partial thing. If you are a backend engineer, you are hiring someone, so you have to settle a common ground. That common ground is DSA, and it is a really good common ground. It's not something easy, and also it's not something extraordinary. It's like something that sits just right. But now people don't want to put in effort. There is no effort in doing web dev, right? You can just watch YouTube video and then do Google search and do. Like if I ask you that, okay, I'll take your internet and then build a complete web application. Will you be able to do that? Even if you call yourself a web developer, even if I call myself a web developer, will I be able to make a website, right? Will I be able to make a website? So for example, without internet, no, I won't be able to. So will I be able to write Digitra without internet? Yes, I'll be able to. That's what matters, bro. What is your skill? Googling and building application is not a skill. So down the line, I think people will realize that DSA is just a easy thing. It's not an easy thing, but it is a straightforward thing. There are a lot of good resources. Lot of people have done it, right? It's not something that you can't really do. Bro, it is like small companies that don't even care about DSA, bro. Small companies, I don't think small startups do ask DSA, but good. I don't know what you mean by do. It's just the big companies. Do startups hire? I have given interviews. I have cracked 5 startups interviews. Not sure if you consider Flipkart as a good company, but I have cracked the round and I was asked 2 DSA questions in the first round itself. If I was not able to do that, I would have been rejected. It is a eliminatory round. Observe AI, another good startup. The base of that startup is 50 plus. You can Google that startup, Observe AI. So in that, the online assessment, it has DSA questions. What else? BitGo. BitGo is another startup, pays like 40 LPA per year. LPA, and that's not CTC. Again, that also is like DSA questions. What other startup I had offer from? Bro, my LinkedIn is live only, bro. Piyush, can we connect on LinkedIn? My LinkedIn is here only, bro. All my links are here. So so if you go to this link, right? This link is there in the stream. So if you go to this, so this has the description. This is the stream going on. This is the link. And then if you go to that link, you will see LinkedIn. So this is my LinkedIn. You can open that. And I will accept everyone's request. So after a live stream, I accept everyone's request. Yes, yes. All the other links are also here. It's my habit to reply to everyone in the chat, but I think going forward I may have to ignore some of the questions also because everyone has their different experience. So not sure what everyone is trying to say. In yesterday also I shared that link. Let me show that link again. See, my aim is for you guys to tell you the best knowledge. Okay. I don't want if today I have mentioned here 35 LPA, right? I want you guys to get something around 50 LPA, 50, right? And I want you guys to prepare for that. There is no point of me guiding you to get a 5 LPA job, right? Then that is something that you can do. So I am going to answer Harshal Aaron's question. This might be the last uh, question that I answer on a DSA or dev debate. So yesterday only I opened this. Now in Zomato is a startup, I believe. Zomato is not a MNC. I think that is something that we all can agree on. So let's just see what Zomato asks, right? Okay, yesterday, I think in couple of streams back only, I was sharing one of the link here where Zomato asked three DSA questions, right? See, like, first of all, let's just see this OASD only. We'll see. Like here, you can listen to Lollipop or Okta is now people might debate that Okta might be a big. Okta is not a, Okta is Okta startup. It's on a verge of becoming a. Do they have stock? I know that I think they have stock. And I believe that 54 would be a CTC Lali Patak, so not sure. Is it a LP or is it a CTC? Okta is no longer startup, right? It has moved from that, so Okta has become a MNC now. But it's a good company. But again, I have lost that link, guys. So yeah, see, three questions. Like if you don't do DSA, you'll not be able to clear the OA only. Let I was able to solve first and three partially, so probably no callback. Let's talk about this. See, this I have not written this. You guys know where I work at. This is a off-campus opportunity. He might be from tier one college, that's why he got. Yes, that is correct. So Zomato hires from tier one only. So now here you guys can see two technical rounds where they ask 1/2 DSA questions. Okay. So two DSA questions and that would not be the first one is easy and then second also feels like easy. So this is a BST easy, right? And then culture fit round. So both are DSA, bro. Now, which startup are you talking about that is asking more dev? I think majority startups focus on dev or DSA. Which startup, Harshal? Piyush, because I am like a supporter of DSA, bro. It's like a easy path to get a job. You are in first year, do DSA and then get a job. Everyone who is saying that DSA is not good, DSA is not good, they are not good at DSA. That's the only thing. Google is different. Google is only DSA. Google, after even if you have 5 years of experience, that is DSA. I can debate on Google for the whole day, right? I can debate whole day on Google, but we were talking about the companies. Yes, Sanit Reddy, I agree with you. People don't practice it consistently, and then they complain. So see, let's see this also, right? This is like a super. And Misho also pays really well. Guys, Misho is a company that pays like 30, like 25 base. So Misho is a startup also, right? So, bro, either you can run away from DSA and then try to do like crazy thing as someone was mentioning in the chat. The probability of that is very less, but all the best. But if you want to be a simple guy, do DSA, get a job. That's it. And also this discuss section, right? I'll paste a link of this. You guys should scroll this just like you scroll Instagram, right? This is like a gold mine for everything. This is a gold mine. So always follow this, okay? Yeah, side by side dev is good, Piyush. Side by side with dev because you need to have projects also. But you are already in second year, right? I would say that start applying to internship. Most of the companies who pay, they have at least two. Yes, for SD1 they have. For SD2, that two DSA might become one DSA and one LLD. That might happen for SD2. I think we should spread knowledge about DSA instead of running away from DSA, right? It's as simple as that. Can you guys build a web application without an internet? No one can, I think. Do the third question. Yes, yes. Let's do that only, bro. Let's do the third question. So I'll be away from my okay, so already 1:30 guys. I'll be only live for another 10 minutes and then I'll end the stream. I didn't realize the time. Somehow this question feels like a brute force won't work here, bro. Uh, Jatin OP, that is good, bro. Okay, guys, I will end the stream here because I really want to just stick to 1 hour and 30 minutes. Yesterday we did a 3 hour stream, uh, and then that is really late. So see you guys tomorrow. So again we have three problems, so we'll take a look at these on the weekend. Try to solve these. So Ashish, best okay, bro. I'll answer your question before going. I am starting entering. I recently started DSA after. Bro, you should. Where are you going doing internship? Are you doing a paid internship or you are doing a free internship? So if you are doing a free internship, that is okay. But now try to get a paid internship and then don't leave DSA, bro. Eventually, when you want to sit for placement again, you are going to be asked DSA. So don't stop DSA. Do DSA and then Anshu Gupta, you can ask a question, bro. A few is not sure, but you can ask one or two question, bro. You can only think of rule, but yeah. Yeah, Lali Pathak, that would be possible, but I think it's more of a segmentary question, maybe, might not be, but a really good problem to solve on the weekend. And also, if you guys are new, feel free to hit the like on the stream, guys. Nowadays, I'm giving like strong suggestions, so I would I'm thinking I might get more dislikes than likes, but that's okay. So, Ashish, best answer your question answered. Ansh Gupta, are you asking a question or shall I end the stream? Just going to wait for 5 more minutes. This assume this as five. I think he has already left the chat, or maybe he's typing. So I also haven't solved many segmentary question, but that's a range question, right? Whenever there is a range thing, it's usually a segmentary. That's what I am. That's my intuition. I might be totally wrong here, but that's what it is feeling like. Not 100% sure. These live stream. So when I was doing it, because I am really hardworking person, that helped me, bro. So if you see, you can look at my consistency. When I was preparing for interviews, right? I really wanted to crack good jobs, right? And not just one. I wanted to give interviews. That was my main aim. So this is my graph when I was giving interviews. So I was really consistent before even this also. Now it is not visible here. If I go to June 2024, you can see this was the whole year. This time I was in Goa. I was chilling. You guys should also chill in between. But overall, you can see the whole graph. This was the graph when I was preparing. Now I am chilling again. So this is my graph again. I am chilling, right? But now, if you have asked a question, Anurag, that yes, yes, bro, absolving daily virtual contest every day and then doing three problems. Now I'm not even looking at the third because it's okay. I don't want to stress my brain more. But every day, bro, every day. If you know David Goggins, then you would have heard who's gonna carry the boat, son. Who's gonna carry the boat? So it's going to be you who have to carry the boat. So go 1.5 hours. Good. I did not understand your question, bro. But on RAG, it's only you that you can do. So where I'm into support role, I do need a bro. You start with the DSA, bro. Start small. That is good that you want to go from support to DSA role. That is good. At least you have a clarity, right? When you are in college, you don't even have a clarity that whether you want to be a support engineer or a software engineer. We just want to get a job, right? So work hard. That is for you, Anurag Garg. Thank you so much, bro. If you like the stream, just do like the stream also, right? Hey, Temperer, we have got some members, bro. So members only content is coming soon. Good one point. See, Jatin OP, I would suggest you are now a regular member, right? So like regular person to stream. Like you can listen to me on your phone on the side, but focus on solving DSA. Like consider this as 1.5 hours of doing regular DSA proper contest. You should aim to be better, right? Like don't do it like me. I do it because I answer queries also along the side, right? So you have to do it uh, like with a focused mind. So that is my advice to you. So Ansh Gupta, that's what I was saying, bro. So I have shared a YouTube link. You go and watch that video and then start doing DSA from today itself, right? You are already in a job, so you will be doing lateral hiring, and in lateral hiring, it takes time. It is not like a university hiring. Yes, I am about to show you that also. So here you see, right, in this website, this is not a website, this is just a link which has all the links. So I'll copy that here. And then this is the checklist, bro. Anurag, your answer is being questioned on the screen only. Like everyone has this question only. And then this link is in my bio. Then still, how can I make this reach people better? Like this is there in the description of the stream, guys. If you should I put it on the top here? Probably I can put it here, right? Find my all links here. Yeah, that would be better, right? Maybe it's like in the end, that's why people are not able to see it. Uh, Let me change that with resources I used. So this should refresh in a bit. Yes, bro, I do every day at 10:30. But this link, right? Okay, my laptop is hanging. But so this, right? So on Rog here, if you see, um, yeah, I put that. So system design, something that I have used, and LLD, and you will also notice that none of the links are mine. Okay, all of these are like the people who have done really great job in creating good resources. I will have probably my thing here, which I am currently preparing on, but these are all outsourced resources, really good things that I used. So you need to use Sam, you need to follow by this neat code 150, and then this website you need to do, right? So if you need like one-on-one guidance, you can come here and then do, but I will add become a member also. Uh, but cool guys, I'll not take, I think there is some internet lag also. Yeah, bro. That is there, bro. I am from VIT Vellore. That holds a value there. But see, people from tier three have also done it, bro. It's not like that. That's impossible, bro. Okay, that is also possible. Now, what you need to do is that try to make your lead code good, such that everyone is willing to refer you and apply to more openings. Those are some things that you can control. Yeah, peers are really important. Coder one, two, two. Peers are really important. Okay, cool guys. Bye bye. Take care, everyone. Have fun. Do coding, do DSA. Keep working hard. At least you have 24 hours. At least work hard for 2 to 3 hours, right?